Welcome na naman sa bagong episode ng Pagluluto with Chef Warren. So for today's recipe, we will cook caldereta. Let's start. Ito po ating pangunahing sangkap para sa caldereta. So we need bay leaves, garlic, potato, onions, carrot, bell pepper, pork. We have tomato sauce, pepper, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. And we will put a little bit of toyo or soy sauce. So let's start. First, gigisa po natin yung baboy. Pwede na po natin lagay yung onions. Igisa po natin ng mabuti yung sibuyas at saka bawang. Now we can add the pork. In chunks. Pag nagisa na po ng maybe yung baboy, pwede na po tayong pagdagan ng water para po palambutin natin yung karne at saka bay leaves o laurel, dahon ng laurel. Tapos takpan po natin, palambutin po natin siya mga 30 minutes po. Pwede po natin ilagay yung toyo, soy sauce, and a tomato sauce. We can now put seasoned salt and pepper. We can now put the carrots and the potato, and also the peanut butter. If you have liver spread, you can put as well the liver spread. It's your choice. Let's go. We can put the bell pepper as well. Mix them together. So there you go, my caldereta by Chef Warren. Dapat slow pa lang po siya para hindi po masunog yung tomato sauce. Tsaka siguraduhin luto po yung patatas. It's up to you if you want na masabaw siya. Pero sakto lang yung yan, yung sakto. Pag may liver spread yan, medyo mas maano pa yung sauce. That is the perfect caldereta by Chef Warren. So ayan po ang ating Filipino caldereta Pachamba by Chef Warren. Thank you for watching, guys. For more video recipes, please like and subscribe to my channel, Tim Martinez.